Today we're going to take a look at a USB Type-C to Type-C. It's a fast supercharging at 240 watts maximum you can do. So we're going to take a look at it and see how durable this cable is. So open it up. Look at how well packed is in there. All right. So if you guys can see, it's all nylon, strong, durable, flexible, good. Connection Type-C, nice and squared. Both ends, super long cable. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out. We're gonna plug in our phone, one of our phones, Type-C to Type-C, and we're gonna plug in the other end. See how long it's gonna take us to charge on the supercharger. And this cable is really long. All right, 61%, and then it's gonna take 60 minutes to fully charge on this one. So we're gonna actually speed it up and see if we can get it faster. We're gonna use a supercharge station. If you guys can see this one goes up to 200. This one has all the capacity that it could do. So we're gonna see if we could supercharge this cable with it and see how fast it is. So I have this one to supercharge a lot of my items. So let's go ahead and see if it works. Because it's 60 watts and 30 watts. We're gonna do for the 60 watts. See how fast it does it. It says 60 minutes to actually charge enough 5 volts. Let's see if it does. How many minutes it's gonna take to charge. All right, last time we did it, it was 60 minutes in 60 seconds. Now this one's half of the time. If you guys can see, 38 minutes. All right, instead of 60 minutes, 38 minutes is working. It's maximum power that it's charging on my phone. So the cable works. So let's go ahead and test the cable out. All right, so we have a 60 watt connection, and we have an actual reader for power adapter reader that it's a digital tester. We're gonna go ahead and test our phone, how much voltage we're actually taking in here. And if you guys can see, it's gonna pop up right now. It's charging right now, and right now maximum we're gonna get around 9 volts. All right, that's pretty much the maximum. On the new versions that you could get up to 16, but my phone is actually set for 9 volts. So if you guys can see that right now, so we are getting the maximum, and instead of 5 volts we doubled it, so it is charging, supercharging fast. So all right, so simple thing, we're gonna try the cable to do video on the cable. Right, if you guys can notice, this is our actually standalone monitor, if you guys can see that. So we're gonna power it up and also video everything through one cable. Right, so we're gonna do that. There it is, coming up. It's coming up again. It just took a while, a couple of resets, but there it is. And I'm going to try to see if I can focus without the light. And I'm going to move the mouse so you guys can see. So right now, one cable streaming through the video. It's streaming the video on the actual system and also power too at the same time. So easy. Cable works very well. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.